How to enable or disable Brighten screen during Face ID recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. So you will see security and privacy is here. So click on security and privacy. Now here, so click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen, enter phone pin and click on continue and click on face recognition. So after click on face recognition, scroll down and you will see Brighten screen is here. So if you want to disable Brighten screen, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see Brighten screen is disabled. So if you want to enable Brighten screen, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see Brighten screen is enabled. So you will enable or disable Brighten screen from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable Brighten screen during Face ID recognition on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.